Hi, I'm Hayley Ford. I'm a cognitive neuroscience major and I'm a junior from Memphis, Tennessee. So Allie Bateman and I started a support group called HU Valley, and this is a support group for people whose parent or parents are facing a serious illness. We'll be meeting in the Kibo Room of Midnight Oil starting the week after fall break, October 18th, and it'll be at 5 p.m. every other Thursday. When I found out that my mom had cancer, I was living here in Searcy. It was this past July. I got a call from her one day saying, I'm having some pain, I'm gonna go to a doctor, and that's how it all started. After a month of testing and seeing different doctors, and I got a call from my mom saying that it was stage 4 breast cancer, and it had spread to her ribs, into her spine, into her pelvis, into her femur. So it had gone throughout her body. The doctor said that it had been growing for the past 2 years, which was crazy to even think about. Allie and I became friends over this period of time where we were relating to each other's situations because her dad is going through the same thing my mom is going through. When we connected over that, we were thinking, man, we really wish we could share this with everyone at Harding that needs this type of community, that understands what you're going through. Our motivation was to not leave anyone feeling alone in their struggle, and we wanted to just provide a place where people can share their stories and understand each other and be encouraging towards one another.